In this video, you will learn about JavaScript functions and how they work. What is a function? A function in JavaScript is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. It is executed when it is called. A function can be declared using the function keyword, followed by a name, parentheses for parameters, and curly braces for the function body. This function prints hello, world, to the console. To execute a function, we call it by its name followed by parentheses. Function parameters and arguments. Functions can take inputs, known as parameters, which allow for more dynamic behavior. This function takes a name as a parameter and prints a greeting without dynamic value that we can pass. When calling a function, you can pass a value that will be used for variable name. Return values. Functions can return values using the return statement. This function takes two numbers, adds them, and returns the result. The return statement ensures the function output can be stored in a variable or used elsewhere. Then we can log the value of variable sum. Function expressions. A function expression allows us to define a function inside a variable. This function expression stores a multiplication function in a variable. Arrow functions. Arrow functions provide a more concise syntax for writing functions. This arrow function takes two numbers and returns their difference. Immediately invoked function expressions. This function runs immediately after it is defined. Higher order functions. Functions can take other functions as arguments or return them, allowing for more flexible programming. This higher order function takes two numbers and an operation function as arguments. Then, we can call the operate function and put the result of this function in result variable. Did you know about the functions? Let us know in the comments.